koutou. It's so good to see you. Kei te rongo koutou, do you hear that? It's the Toy Time trumpets. That must mean it's time to party! Let's go.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your mind, it's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuz. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya! Tama! Jojo! Love! Anika! Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your mind, it's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
No mai kia toy time. I'm Maya.
I'm Tama. It's nice to see you again.
Almost ready. Just a few more final calculations.
That's Jojo.
Oh, kia ora.
What have you got there, Jojo?
It's my rocket launcher.
A rocket launcher? Rawe!
But what does it do, Jojo?
Well, it launches my rocket into space so we can go exploring.
I love exploring, but hey, Mohio, what exactly is space?
Kia ora, Tama. Space is the zone up above us. It surrounds our planet. Space is the home of our whānau whetū.
You mean like the stars?
Aye, the stars, whetū, the moon, marama, the planets, aorangi. They surround us in outer space.
I love space! Jinx! Jinx again!
Let's explore space together. Do you want to come too?
Yes, please.
Okay, everyone, strap yourselves in and get ready for blast off. This is astronaut Jojo to ground control. We have all of our whānau on board. We are all systems go.
All systems go!
Ready for blast off in 5,
Whoa.
4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
I can see the stars at night. Where do they go in the daytime? How is it they shine so bright? But in the morning when I look outside, where did they hide? I bet that I could find them if I had their Wakatuarangi. Spaceship, take me to the stars. Their Wakatuarangi.
Wow, that's a really cool spaceship, Tama.
Thanks, Maya.
There's so many buttons on here.
I know.
Ooh, what does this one do?
That one activates the booster!
Sorry, Tama, but your spaceship goes really fast.
Thanks. There's one for each of us. Will you help me finish them?
Yeah, sure.
All right. The final step is to add your rocket booster to the rear of your spaceship.
Got it.
Woohoo!
What
I'm just going to make some
time
adjustments.
is it on? Toy time, it must be Mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination.
That's it, Maya.
The fun has only just begun.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa. All done, Tama.
Are you ready?
Yep. Woot, 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 woot.
In
3, 2, 1.
blast
Are we there yet?
That depends on where that is. Come on, Tazark. I'm looking for a beautiful planet I've heard about called Te'au, planet Earth.
And what does Te'au, planet Earth, look like?
Well, it has big green things called trees and wet blue stuff called water. And funny creatures live there called Earthlings.
Earthlings? Do they have lots of eyes like us?
Let's find out.
Voot, 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 voot.
Oh, kia ora. We are aliens from out of space. Nice to meet you.
Yoda, nice to meet you too.
Oh,
Oh, Earthlings are very friendly.
and cuddly.
We sure are. We're the cuddliest creatures in the whole universe.
Tell me, Earthling, what is the name of your pet?
Oh, this isn't a pet, it's a ball.
Oh, ooh. And what do you do with a ball?
You play with it. See?
Oh,
Wow.
Wanna play?
May I?
Sure.
Oh, have a turn, Maya. Amazing.
This is fun.
It is indeed. Planet Earth is awesome. But it's time to return to outer space. Hey, Kona.
Ka kite ano.
Ka kite ano.
Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm off to outer space. I've always wanted to go to outer space. Hoa ke tātou. Whee! Maybe I can climb to outer space. It's not high enough. I'm gonna have to find something way taller. Okay. Whoa. Maybe I can swing high enough into space.
really strong to get to outer space.
I think I found it. Whoa, check it out. It's a massive rocket ship. It's definitely gonna get me up to space. Come on. Oh, this is so awesome. I'm gonna go all the way to the top. We're off to space today, whānau. I want to travel all the way to Mars. I might even be able to find a Waiki. Okay. I'm a little bit high, but I'm going to go as high as I can. This might be the very tippy top. Who's ready to see what we found? Check this out, cuzzies. Wow, I can see everything from up here. I can see the trees, I can see the buildings. All the people look so tiny, they look like little ants down there. Kia ora! I'm gonna fly to Mars. It's been an amazing time hanging out with you guys today. Have an awesome day. Ka kite.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Moyo told me what you are. Up above the world so high, you're a ball of gas in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, you burn so brightly from afar.
It's one small step for Maya. And one giant leap for toy time.
Knock, knock.
Oh, that sounds like the cuz. Ko koe tēnā, Buzz. It is Buzz the cuz.
This is Astronaut Buzz, hearing you loud and clear. Before we proceed, I have one question. What is a cow's favourite thing in space?
The Milky Way.
Hey, that's a good one.
Hey, what have you got there?
Oh, I've got rocket launchers.
Oh, okay. Let's do this.
Hoa ke tātou.
Oh, hey, wait for me, Buzz. Oh.
This is a perfect launch site. Mission Control, this is Captain Buzz speaking. Ready for blast off in Rima, Wha, Toru, Rua, Tahi, blast off!
Oh, ka rawe, Buzz. So, when you stomp your foot on the rocket launcher, it then shoots the rocket so high in the sky.
Yeah. Do you want to have a tip?
Oh, yes, please. Okay. Mission Control, this is co-pilot Maya speaking. Ready for blast off in Rima, Wha, Toru, Rua, Tahi, blast off!
Whoa! Oi, Maya! They went high yes. Hey, if a rocket had a voice, it'd probably sound like this. Ah!
Hey, Buzz, thank you so much for sharing your rocket launcher with us today.
Hey, sharing is caring, my friend. That's what my mum told me, and I'll remember that always.
We have one more rocket.
Oh, you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Load it up.
Goes on here. All right, Buzz, your turn.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Ready? And Rima, Wha, Toru, Rua, Tahi, blast off! Really good.
And everyone lived happily ever after, except for the ogre. The end. Right. Kia ora. I'm Auntie Anika, and I'm all snuggled up in bed, ready to go to sleep. See? I've got my PJs. Woohoo! I've brushed my teeth. Oh, Teddy's brushed her teeth. I've got Teddy, and I've got my nice soft pillow and my favourite blankie. All that's left to do now is to close my karu and drift off to sleep. Poor Marie. Come on. Oh man, I can't get to sleep. Does that happen to you too? Well, I have a special breathing trick that helps me relax and fall asleep. Do you want to try it? Okay. Make sure you're all snuggled in and comfy. Okay, come on, Teddy. Close your eyes. Take a nice, slow breath in through your nose. Hold your breath for 2 seconds. Tahi, rua. Then breathe out through your mouth, nice and slowly. Anō. Tahi, rua.
Out. In.
Well, hi, Oma. What are you doing?
Hi, Wolfie. I'm doing pekewhetu. My arms and my legs make a star shape, see?
That looks like fun. Can you teach me how to star jump?
Oh, of course, Wolfie. You start like this, with your arms and your legs down.
Arms and legs down. Got it.
And then you jump and you put your arms and your legs out like this.
A little jump. And put your legs and arms out like this.
Yeah.
And then in like this.
Yeah.
Out, in, out, in. Oh, I'm doing it! I'm doing star jumps! Yay! Ka koe hoki!
Star, Wolfie! Ba-doo.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. These tamariki are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Hi! Today I'm watching real rockets take off. Let's look at this one. To be safe, we have to stand far away from the rockets. We count down from 5. The rockets go so high they nearly disappear. There's so many rockets. Then they fall to the ground. I run over to see them land. I got some rockets to take home to play with my friends. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Blast off! everyone. Bye.
Tirama, tirama ngā whetū. I love stargazing. Looking up into the night sky when the stars are extra shiny and sparkly.
Me too. Oh, I wish the stars were out during the day.
Hey, Mōhio, where do stars go during the day?
Well, Jojo, the whetū are still in the sky, but the light from Tamanui Te Rā is so bright that it blocks out all the other lights in the sky. When the sun sets, that's when you can see the stars sparkling again.
That makes sense. Thanks, Mōhio. Nei, Tama. I made this whetū just for you. It's extra sparkly.
Oh. Tēnā koe, Jojo. I love it.
Whoa, we're going to space today. Do you want to come with us? Yay! Can you whistle in space? Woo-hoo. Can you whistle in space? If I went to space, then I would whistle. Can you giggle in space? Can you giggle in space? If I went to space, then I would giggle. Can you clap in space? Can you clap in space? If I went to space, then I would clap. Can you sleep in space? Can you sleep in space? If I went to space, then I would sleep. Well, if I went to space, then I would whistle, 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 whistle. Well, if I went to space, then I would giggle. Well, if I went to space, then I would clap. Well, if I went to space, then I would sleep. Nice.
Just one moment as I place the last thing in the box. Okay, Jojo, are you ready to play What's in the Box?
Oh, just a minute, Tama. I'm just warming up my hands.
Okay.
Ready? Woohoo!
Okay, put your hand in the box and guess what's in there.
Oh, some, spiky? But hard, smooth. Are they rocks?
Good guess, Jojo, but not quite. I'll give you a clue. They're beautiful and sparkly.
Beautiful and sparkly? Hard. They feel like rocks. Are they space rocks?
Another good guess, Jojo, but not quite.
Beautiful, sparkly, hard like rocks. Are they crystals?
Aye, they are!
Good ball. We love playing games. We play games to warm up our bodies.
Hey, and swim.
We make up dance moves.
Hey, nice, Casey. Yes, baby.
Now our bodies are ready to dance.
Nice. Nice.
play musical statues.
Out now. Oh, Gabby! Right, Gabby, can't we be the music goer? Keep dancing. I want to see those moves. Now.
The parachute games are lots of fun.
The ocean waves get bigger. There's a storm coming. What happens? And it's nice and calm. It's sunny. 2, 1, go, Jaden! Woohoo! Oh, all right. All right, and go! High five! Oh! Good, high five! Yeah!
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today I'm going to read you a story about Tavita's trip into outer space. Le Va Nemo Nemo, the universe. Tavita showed Tomasi the brand new spacesuit that Uncle Siali had given him for his birthday. With his blue and red rocket in his hand, he space jumped slowly towards Tomasi in his high chair. Tomasi giggled. Look, Baba, Tavita is in Va Nemo Nemo, Tavita said in a slow space voice. Tavita scrunched up pieces of blue and green paper and sellotaped them together. He held up the round scrunch ball and said, Ta-da! Here's Lalolangi, the world. Tavita grabbed an orange from the fruit bowl and crouched down by Tomasi's high chair, rising slowly, revealing the orange fruit, his pretend sun. Ole oso, ole la. Here's the sunrise, Tomasi. Tavita space raced around the whale, collecting different coloured materials. A grey, round-shaped rock for Le Marsina, the moon. Some silver tinfoil to form the planet Mercury. His mum's red scarf tied with hair ties for Mars. His blue ball for Neptune. And his mum's big hoop earrings for Saturn. Look, Tomasi, we have made Le Va Nemo Nemo, the universe, said Tavita. And there on the Lau Lau table lay all the planets for his mum and Tomasi to see. Va soipoa. We'll see you next time.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa.